If you're encountering an access denied error on Duo Security, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Verify Duo enrollment. Confirm that your account is properly enrolled in Duo Security. If you are not enrolled, contact your administrator to get set up. Step 3. Review device compatibility. Make sure that the device you are using is compatible with Duo Security. Check for any updates or required configurations for your device. Step 4. Clear browser cache. If you are accessing Duo Security through a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data. Step 5. Contact support. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the access denied issue on Duo Security efficiently.